Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to navigate the Hubspot CRM dashboard. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar in your browser. Now, once you get to the search bar, go ahead and type hubspot.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for HubSpot. Of course, once you get in there, you're going to see a sign up button at the top right corner of your screen, or the Get Hubspot CRM for free. So once you click on that, follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to the HubSpot homepage, where you can now navigate and explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in this amazing space. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to navigate the HubSpot CRM dashboard. All right, so from your home page, okay, which looks more like this, you're going to check the top corner of your screen where you have this couple headings: contact, conversations, marketing, sales, commerce, service, automation, and reporting. So head over to reporting and click on that. You're going to see this extended menu that has the dashboards, reports, and data management options. So go ahead and click on dashboards, because that's the core of this tutorial. Now it's going to take you to the dashboard itself. As you can see, it's loading up, and once it's done, you're going to see how beautiful the dashboard window looks like. So you have your marketing channel performance, and the dashboard is here. So I've not necessarily created. Okay, so this was a dashboard, right, that I created while I was signing up. All right, so it wasn't like it was an intentional move, but then when you're going through the sign up process, you're going to have to go through this process where they can also create a dashboard for you. And this dashboard is called marketing channel performance. So if you want to check if you have a couple more dashboards, this is where you can find others, but I just have this one, which is marketing channel performance. So this is my dashboard. New visitor session totals by day with source breakdown. I have nothing to show, and contacts most recently created by source. So scroll the way down, you're going to find landing page submission totals. If you have, it's just going to be displayed here. And you have form submission totals. And scroll the way down, you have marketing email totals by open rate, email sent, open click totals by email send date. You have ad clicks by social networks, new conversion from ads. You have social interactions by network and social clicks by networks. Now, I'd like you to know that the dashboards, all right, so dashboard actually facilitates the organization of your space. All right, so you can organize related reports into one view using a dashboard, and you can create new dashboards for different reporting purposes, share dashboards with other users in your account, and clone or delete existing dashboards to stay organized. All right, so this, if you want to make changes to each of this, you can just click on the three dots menu for any of them, and once you click on this three dots menu, you're going to see an extended menu here where you can refresh, clone, rename, export, share, move, change owner, add to dashboard, remove from dashboard, and delete. So this is pretty much how you can navigate the HubSpot CRM dashboard. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.